wanted to show you guys this. I had taken all these rolls, spliced them together with my Sunloose splicer, which actually works really well, especially whenever you have a little thing like this that you can shut it down on there and hold it in place. I broke one of them already, first time, well, third time use, but like I said, I went through all of those. Then I built this roller to be able to rewind my spools. The way it works, and it's actually pretty nice. Take your piece in here, tighten her down, and then pretty much just turn your switch. Here, let's do this. Flip the switch on and let it start rolling. Now with those splice spots, it might try to slow down on you and give you some trouble. But let's see if I can get this going right. Let's see. Oh, that's stopped. Don't want to stop it. Let's go through full speed. See, I might need a little bit of a brake or gear for it. Walking around, or at least a clutch or some sort to slow this. Keep it a little bit slower than that so there's tension on it, you know? Oh, that was probably one of them splice spots. Not doing bad. Look what it did when I slowed it. Yeah, I needed something on there to keep that from happening. Alright. It's not the best, but you know what? It re-rolled it. And I have this weighted out, so I'm going to pause the video for a second and I'm going to weigh this and see how many grams I got. Alright, after disassembling it, let's get this. Turn on. Alright, 0 grams. 605. 605 minus what? 171? Let's see. That's 171. 434 grams. Nice. That's not bad. I mean, I can reuse this just for random shit, but that's half a roll almost, so like $10 I saved. I like it. Yeah. And I probably used about 3/4 of a roll of filament on this. So in essence, being able to use all that got me back money. I know I still spent money on that, and I had most of these parts. So I spent probably $40 overall to build that. Saved 10, so $30. And I got more filament to go through that I can save. That needs to just be spliced together like certain, like this is black and red. That one right there is black and red, a bunch of PETG. So yeah, heck yeah.